Welcome back to Unlocking HR Excellence, where we continue our journey to uncover the qualities that define outstanding HR managers. If you're ready for more insights, you're in the right place. Let's dive into part 2. Hey there, HR enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to continue this exploration with you. Today, we'll explore the next 5 qualities that every top-notch HR manager should possess. Let's jump right in. HR managers are leaders who inspire and empower others. We set the tone for the organization, fostering a culture of collaboration, accountability, and continuous improvement. Let's unleash our leadership potential. Integrity is our compass in HR. We uphold the highest ethical standards, ensuring fairness, transparency, and confidentiality in all our dealings. Let's be guardians of integrity in the workplace. HR is a dynamic field that's constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, we must embrace lifelong learning, seek out new knowledge, and adapt to emerging trends. Let's commit to continuous growth and development. In today's globalized world, cultural competence is essential. HR managers embrace diversity, respect cultural differences, and create an inclusive environment where all employees feel valued and heard. Let's celebrate diversity and foster a culture of inclusion. Conflict is inevitable in any workplace. HR managers are skilled mediators who navigate disputes with diplomacy, empathy, and fairness, fostering constructive resolutions that benefit all parties. Let's master the art of conflict resolution. We've covered some critical qualities today, but there's one more part to go. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll unveil the final 5 qualities that define HR greatness. See you soon. Thanks for joining me today, HR enthusiasts. Remember, greatness lies within each of us. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.